I wear a helmet. I wear a helmet. I ride my bike to school. I ride my bike to school. I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. I wait for the bus. I buy a lot of groceries. I get a carton of eggs. I put the food in the pan. I put the food in the pan. I ride a horse at the farm. I ride a horse at the farm. I am ready for school. I am ready for school. Knead the dough well. Knock, knock. Anybody home? I'm taking some painkillers. Let's grab some snacks. I am watering the field. I am feeding the chickens. I wake up early every day. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with soap. I take a quick shower. I comb my hair neatly. I get dressed for work. I pack my lunchbox. I drink a glass of milk. I eat breakfast with my family. I leave home on time. I catch the morning bus. I reach the office early. I check my emails first. I finish my work on time. I take a short break. I drink water regularly. I have lunch at noon. I talk to my friends. I return home in the evening. I change my clothes. I help my mother in the kitchen. I clean my room daily. I sweep the floor properly. I wash the dirty dishes. I wash the dirty dishes. I water the plants outside. I water the plants outside.